So let's assume that I want to add pockets to this one, not this type of pocket, not this type. So what I'm going to do is that I'll take the dimension. This is 7 inches, right? The pocket should be less than the dimension of your bag. You are using 5 inches for the length. Take the dimension of the height. Where do you want it to stop? Okay, so I'm also going to use 5.5 for the height of the pocket. So this is it, 5 inches by 5.5 by 5 inches. Now I'm going to give it this same shape that I gave the front part of my bag so that it will rhyme. This time around, I'm slanting 0.25. This is a small bag, right? You can slant it with any dimension that you want. So I'm slanting with this dimension. Let me use 1 inch for the cup down to this place. For this down part, I'm using 0.5. 0.5. So I'm going to curve it as well. This is the pocket, the extra pocket I want to create, this type of extra pocket that comes out. So from the picture, you will see that this one is a bit different from this one that we want to create. This one now, I want to use this pattern and create something and create extra pockets and attach to this bag. I don't want to cut this pattern directly from this, our front panel. But from this one now, you will see that the pattern was cut directly from the front panel. So you can also do it whichever way you want. Either you cut extra materials for your pocket, or you cut this the front panel of your pocket directly from the front panel of your bag. But the one we are doing now, we are going to cut this pattern separately and attach it this way. So next is that we are going to locate the midpoint and do the same thing that we did on this one to get the top part, the side, and the base of this pocket. So I'm going to do it. I'm going to cut the material 4 inches for the first side of our bag plus 3 inches for the top. Then another 4 inches for the second part of side of my bag, which gave me a total of 11 inches. So I cut 11 inches. So this is 1 inch and this is 1.5. It's slightly wider than this one because after we attach our zip here, it's going to correspond. So now I'm going to do the same thing that I did on this part of our bag, on this top part of our bag. I'm going to do the same thing here, but this time around, I'm not doing it the two sides. I'm doing it just one side because we are going to attach zip to the second side. So this is it. I've done that. You can see that one side is a bit slanted. It's not straight. It's not straight. So now I'm going to be gumming everything. I'm going to start with the pockets. I'll start with the pockets. I'll gum the pockets. But before then, I'll mark out where I want my pocket to be. I'll align the middle of this one and the middle of this one. But I'll measure 1 inch from the bottom part. 1 inch, right? Wherever I want it to be, I'll just measure 1 inch. When I place it on the middle part, then I'm going to mark it out just like this. Just this way. I'll trace it.